Once again, we thank everyone who makes it possible for us to post these videos. We salute our new subscribers and especially Mira Customs, our 1000th subscriber. We also want to invite you to watch our old videos from our trips through Europe, Africa, and Asia, and also the new ones from our trips throughout North America. As you will see in the images, to head towards San Ignacio, we had to get into the desert again and head towards the Pacific due to the route zigzags. First destination was Guerrero Negro, where we only planned to spend the night there. In reality, this city that belongs to the municipality of Mulich offers many attractions. Among others, the best known are the sighting of gray whales in winter over the Ojo de Liebre lagoon. Other places to visit are the largest salt flats in the world, where some tourists even bathe. Also, the immense dunes of Solitude and other attractions that are further away from the city. The area in general is special and is part of the Vizcaíno biosphere. We apologize if we did not pronounce the names of the places very well, and we thank you for your corrections. Unfortunately, we were there in September, a month when hurricanes are common. The area had flooded quite a bit and it was not the best time to walk through it. That's why we decided just to sleep there and go to San Ignacio. We spent the night camping at the Malarino Hotel, which in addition to rooms has spots for RVs. It cost us $30 a night with electricity and bathrooms. Upon arriving in San Ignacio, we were surprised to find an oasis in the middle of the desert. Once again, we remembered Tunis in Africa and the Sarkilen oasis that we visited in 2019. The San Ignacio River is a spring of the crystalline waters, where many stop to enjoy it. There are campsites around the river to spend the day and night, where kayaks are rented to explore the river and its natural islands. Jesuit explorers came across this paradise between 1600 and 1700 and founded the mission of San Ignacio Caracaman. The Cochimies lived in this region. Caracaman is a word from the language of the natives of these areas. Unfortunately, this language is extinct. We head to the main square of the town where the legendary church of San Ignacio is located. In front of this, you have an area to park your vehicle. We arrived in the middle of Mass, and out of respect, we stayed walking around the outskirts of the old church from 1728. The Jesuits, following their Spanish traditions, had planted lemon and orange trees throughout the church patio. There were also other typical plants from Spain. We found a plaque that briefly told the history of the place. The site where this mission was built was discovered by the Jesuit Francisco Maria Piccolo in November 19, 1716. This place was originally known by local Indians as Caracaman, word in Cochimi language meaning stream of reeds. In 1728, Father Juan Bautista Luchando and Father Sebastián Sistiaga founded this mission and dedicated to the San Ignacio de Loyola, founder of the Company of Jesus. Father Fernando Consac started building his temple, but was not finished until probably 1786, when Dominican Father Juan Crisostomo Gomez was in charge. This mission had a very important role in the missional regime expansion, since the local soil and climate allowed an early agricultural development, activity that helped the foundation of other religious settlements. During the first third of the 19th century, the indigenous population disappeared completely from this mission's territory due to epidemic diseases and cultural changes in their way of life. The mission stopped working and gave way to a different society, formed by mestizo families that assured the national identity in this faraway part of the country. We regretted that the arrival of the Europeans has brought with it the extinction of this culture. After visiting the church, we went to explore the town. We ate a delicious cake at friend's business J&J, which we recommend for those who visit San Ignacio. We thank you for reaching the end of this video, and we ask you to leave us a like to promote our videos throughout this platform. In our next video, we will show you our tour of Santa Rosalia, Valle de la Concepción, and Loreto. Thank you, and until our next stop.